Hello, we amazing, beautiful people. Welcome to the New York live session with Eivindfx here on YouTube. Hope that you have a fantastic day. Today we're gonna go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, and what the living heck is happening to gold. More of that in this stream. My name is Eivindfx and I am a forex trader for over 8 years. Trying to fail myself through this life, I would say. I have just gone through the trading plans I had for October. They were absolutely fantastic. It didn't go well, so I would actually give myself a 3 out of 6 or 5 out of 10 this month. It was I need to dig deeper in November to get the returns I want to. So, sure, not everything was great. Not everything was amazing. So, we got a job to do. Other than that, what is the job today? The job today is gold falling. At this moment, at least. Heartache. Chief. Happy weekend, bro. Abe. Hello, Ivan. Hello. You see what's happening today? Yes. We are gonna go through that. But firstly, I'm just gonna go through. Sure. So what we are really happening here is, I just need to reduce the volume here. So I can go through like the what I have said about the October thing. That's always nice to go through something that you can do absolutely nothing about. But surely, if you look into my Discord channel here, and if you look into like trading plans like S&P 500, Aussie, Euro, Pound Yen, New Zealand, all of them are bullish. Aussie Yen, Euro Yen, all of them are bullish. Gold was actually bearish. And how did gold go, for example? Bearish on the month. Tja. There's some profits there at least. But other than that, well, whatever. All three other pairs on the dollar sides. Let me find the bullish side of it. Sure. I need to do better. Trade plan 100%, euro dollar not really that much, just nothing. Pound dollar something, not 100% but something. Pound yen 100% in. New Zealand dollar 100% in. Aussie yen 100% in. CAD yen 100% in, not that I care about the CAD yen though. Euro yen 100% in. New Zealand yen 100%. So, you know, apart from euro dollar, pound dollar, we should be tons in profit. But I gotta be honest with you, we need to improve. So November is coming up tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday. So cheers, mate. Seems like the market is falling off the cliff at the moment. But why? Because we are starting off the new month about at M3, which is the month itself price. So if you are a seller, well, now is probably the time. But yeah, Newman says, what's happening to euro dollar? Let's go through dollar here. And what's happening to dollar at the moment? Dollar came down to the buy price for November. And that was a fun fall yesterday. And then coming back up today. Are we going to continue? Are we going to fall back down again? That all comes down to your bias that I, by now, assume that you have. I also believe that if you are a day trader today, I think that you are having fun in this market. Because there is a reversal here. There is a support here, the support here. So there is bullish entries if you wanted to take them. Congratulations. But yeah. Cool. So for Aussie, I would say for Aussie, other than that, as long as Aussie is still up in the clouds, and we have a double bottom, on top of a double. Sorry, you have a double top on top of a double top. Okay. So if you are a seller, can you sell something like that on Monday? Sure, you can. You can. The question becomes, what is this London? What is this New York? What is this New York market gonna do for this Friday? Some months we can go absolutely bananas this first month of the day. Has this happened before? Absolutely, it happened at the 29th of September as well. It just went bloop, and then we continued higher. So depending on what your bias is, you see this as either a pullback to buy, or you see this as a reversal now to fall. We shall all see what the market is gonna do, but you need to be prepared. So if you want to sell this today, tonight, this morning, any pullback looks to be your entry here. The Dave says, look at gold, man. I will look at gold, man. Maybe not now, mostly because if someone of the membership of my YouTube channel wants to do it, I shall do it. But until then, I want to do the more likely trading pairs that I want to trade either. Today's sponsor is not Coca-Cola, but it sponsored my tummy at least. That was funny. Anyways, I laugh at my own jokes, I know. Euro dollar, what's happening, bro? That was a sell price. How do we know that? Well, because if you add the monthly pivot points on, I think that's either central or M3 if I'm not too far off. Yeah, M3, give or take. Okay, cool. Coming down to central, is that your buy price? Or are you buying down here at 15.20 before going higher? If this is your sell price, mate, this is a low that you want to see. Are you then going to see a pullback to M3 on Monday? Sure. So what I'm trying to tell you, don't be blinded by current rise in dollar. Don't be blinded what's happening on gold at the moment. And continue on your path. Because if you were a seller of euro dollar for that matter, this is where you're supposed to sell for the month of October. If you're a buyer, this is where you're supposed to buy. Both are getting profits at the moment. So, sure. And there is some fights in the comment section about gold at the moment. Yes. I think the price was, the gold has always been 1760. I don't know if that's still on the table, but sure. That is for another day. Pound coming off M3 here as well. Pound yen coming off M3 as well. So if you're looking into pound, we have not made a higher high yet. We can more likely than not try to find some buy prices, but that means that we need to fall lower before we can go higher. So right now, yeah, sure, that's probably a good sell price there at M3 at 138. The question becomes, are you going to take 137, 136.80 or 136 when it comes down there? Well, that's all up to you, bro. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? I would say it's currently range bounds until we are doing something. Darren says CAD is falling like a rock. Let's go through that one. CAD yen is not really falling that much. US dollar, not really that much. And then CAD indice. How is that going? CAD. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't call that a rock though, but I would call it falling. So Darren, you need to get your motions checked. I disagree that it's a rock, but okay. It can develop into a rock, but right now it's not a rock. It's just a fall. Going into oil. Oil. What is happening here, bro? We have come up to the sell price, sell resistance, okay? We have not broken lower yet, so that's kind of the prices that you were hoping for. Oops. That's kind of the prices you're hoping for. And sure, it falls off the sky. Is it gonna fall further? What's your thoughts for November/LiveFX? I have already given my thoughts for November on the daily setup yesterday. And I am probably gonna give you my thoughts on Sunday. Or the Saturday video tomorrow. So why am I doing here right now? I'm here right now to be here with you guys. And see if we can find some trade plans, find some trade opportunities this last trading day of October. So we can slide into okay. So we can slide into November. Nasdaq as well is now falling. It didn't come up to the sell price I wanted to see, but hey, it is what it is, I guess. And I've also said somewhere around 152, sorry, 5.2 is probably a price to look forward to. But until then, we kind of have to fall down. Do we see a pullback on oil back up to some of the prices that we are hoping for tomorrow? I don't know. Let's see. Bearish. Sure. So currently you're hoping for maybe a pullback to 82 before falling. Is it something on my... Anyways. Okay. So right now, oops. Right now we are falling quite hard on oil, and I've also seen a thing on OPEC that says that, well, they can see some more. Okay. FX Pro is telling us that there's some temporarily interruption on crypto trading at the moment. Okay, great. Eurozone inflation surges by far more than expected in October. Interesting. So, can we have a pullback now on the market? Where we are going dollar bullish, Aussie bearish, Euro bearish, oil bearish, like a real good risk-off event? Sure. That could definitely happen. At this moment, though, of time, I don't see any bearishness on pound to yen because we are still holding 156. But sure, anything can happen today. If the market really gives up on yen, or yen really takes a big rise, which it actually doesn't, not on that one, and not on this one. So that's actually very counter. So yen itself is not falling. Yen is not falling. So what about the other ones? Aussie is the one falling. Pound is the one falling. Euro is the one falling. New Zealand is the one falling, but not the yen pairs. Okay. Dollar is the one being strong. So it's dollar move at the moment and not yen bearishness. So if you want to trade something today, it's probably against the dollar more than anything else. I just need to see 81 on oil. I think that's plausible. That is coming down to the support again. If I was an oil bear, I would probably send it even lower than 81 though. But send it. All right. Great. Ten-year T-note is not moving that much. Nasdaq is maybe falling a bit. S&P 500 maybe falling a bit. Not more than 0.40%. So everything is great so far. So if you're trying to sell Aussie dollar today, are you just going to sell this low? That's always fun to say to people. Are you just going to sell this low? right now, none right now sounds sounds great. Who is it? Meriot Said, if you do one more message, I will ban you. Unless that's a hiccup. Could gold retreat right now? Since you sent so many messages, I'm not going to talk about gold for the next 5 minutes. That's a penalty for everyone. So it's 16:08. I'm not going to talk for gold. Because that's not how you behave in a group chat, bro. So I do expect, well, once the market starts falling on a Friday, the last day of the month, by the way, we can fall pretty hard, pretty strong, pretty much. Okay? So for euro, for Aussie, for pound, I think it's a straight way to the bottom. The question becomes, SlyFX, what did I sell? What did I sell, SlyFX? I just need to know what I sold. I tend to disagree because you send the 3 messages or send the same things a lot of times, but also the last message is 2 times the same thing. But okay. Could gold retreat right now? Could gold retreat right now? Could gold retreat right now in the same message? So, but yeah, okay, cool. I'm not gonna talk about gold. Don't worry. So, yes, SlyFX, where did I sell? So I can sell it now. Selling euro dollar at support. Is it pound dollar at support? What am I selling at support? And then if everything just goes boo back up again. There is one YouTuber out there that I'm actually following as well. I'm just gonna see whatever he was thinking. It's kind of like a me and Hardy kind of a thing. So it's not really my opinion. It's just for fun, bro. Right? Just fun, right? Fun. Maybe did it go away? No. Where is he? Where did he go, mate? We trade waves is there finally. And then on USD CAD, was he right about that? Can't remember. That's always fun to know. Was he right about that? Yeah, maybe not. Not so much. Not so much. DXY. Was he right about DXY? Not at all. Maybe. Went down to his buy price though, that's true. So fantastic on that one. And then pound dollar. Was he right about that one? Nah. Anyways. Is it a good idea to go long on euro dollar at this moment? So if you're looking into the weekly, mate, let me show you something. Monthly first, sorry. You're coming down to the central pivot. So, maybe. I'm not really happy about how fast this one falls, but that's at least where I would put my limit order at around 16, 13 if I was to buy it. And also 15.58. Sorry, 15.74. Sorry, that was my bad. These 2 prices here. And then I will go to the weekly and look at that one. And we are going now into M2 at around 16.04. So I'll probably jump on that one if that closes at 1600 tonight. Yeah. So yeah, also sure. But no, I did not sell gold. If you are out there and you're wondering, Ivan, what is your strategy about? Do you have any strategy out there? As you can see, 1,032 people has seen my strategy, the only pure strategy you will ever need. And it is pretty fun, by the way. It's a pretty fun video. I liked making it for 3 months. So that is up in the pinned comment, I think it was. I think it's pinned. It's supposed to be pinned. Pinned message. Anyways, there it is. Just for those who are new here. So, Mr. What do you call him? Mr. Dave says he sold it. Okay. You got money there. Lucky dogs with 2 tails. That's always good. It was the best trade. I would like to disagree. I would really disagree with that comment there. I think it was the worst idea, but the worst trade. But that's all that. The reason why I think it's the worst trade, Dave, is because you don't have a clear trend. You are a lucky dog. You're a lucky dog with 3 tails, and the reason for that is because you don't have a bearish trend. You basically have for the week. You have a fight between M3 and M2, and that's all. Okay. So you're basically range trading, and that's not where I want you to trade. So sure, it can fall, it can rise, it can do whatever it wants. But you don't have what I want to do every single day is high probability trade. And gold at the moment is not a high probability trade. This is a low probability trade. And for those who are day trading, I know me and Ali are going to disagree on that one. But I want a trend before I'm going to bother anyone about anything of anyone of whatever. You bought at 1996. Yeah, that is always fun as well. It's the second time luck, mate. Yeah. So I don't like that because that's going to kill your account, and now you're going to go talk to your girl, your wife, your girlfriend, or the woman in your life, and you're like, look, I made all this money. And then you come a week later and you're like, where's all the money? I lost double. Okay. How do you know if it is a high probability trade or a low probability trade? Okay. Let me show you. A high probability trade, in my view, every single day of the month is a trade at the beginning of the month. Okay. Beginning of the month, we are going into, is this monthly? First of all, sellers, or the opposite, has taken profit. You have the, okay, let me do that instead there. So, one, opposite, taking profit. Second one is beginning or end of the month, beginning of the month, month. Then you need to have a reversal of trend, which is double bottom or double top. And then you need in this case, either higher high or lower low, and then pull back. Okay, and then the next one is buying at support, and then you're wondering, like, Mike, how do we do that though in a trend? So buying at support in a trend, or selling at resistance in a trend. So in my view, that gold lacks all of that. Okay, gold lacks all of that at the moment. So I don't know if anyone has taken profit anywhere at all. So in this case, they have taken profit. It is the beginning of the month, is April. There is a reversal. There's a double bottom, higher high, higher low situation. There's your buy, and then buy support, buy support, buy support, buy support. If I take that with me, and then we go over to, for example, October. Let's go into October here. There is the beginning of the month. Have they taken profit? They took profit. So that was 1 week. They took profit. There is a higher high, higher low situation. That is a potential buy. Not really. That's a potential buy there. Didn't really go. Here we go again. That didn't work so well. All right. But if you look into August, on the opposite side, which we also took, was this is the top, 4 times the top actually, 4x actually, not double top. Lower low, lower high situation, there's your sell, bada bing, bada boom. Okay? But then what lacks in here on the monthly time frame is target for buyers, but on weekly we have that. So generally speaking, that is what I'm looking for every single time. That is a high probability trade for me. What is a low probability trade? I can look at gold and I see low probability trades all the time, all the day, all the year. Okay? So if we go to monthly time frame for that matter, pivot points, and then you have to go and find when was the last time they hit monthly target. Basically. Okay, they did that in May, so maybe could have sold 1st of June down to target. No target in August, but it fell anyways. Coming up to August, yeah, sure, but it's still very much a range in this situation, so you don't have, so trend is non-existent. She's watching you, by the way, but you said that but okay, I'm not going to talk about that actually. I'm not going to mention what I'm going to mention, but hey, girlfriend of Dave. All right, is that understandable, mate? Understandable, mate? Who was asking for that? Falco asked for that. So we have gone through Aussie. We have gone through S&P-ish at least. At least for this month, I'm looking to buy 44.86 and 44.20. So we shall see. Stock market is a bit different. But if you look at Aussie at the moment, we are very strong to the upside. So, but also it's a top. But anyways, who cares? We are either going to do that or do that. Oh, as a buyer. But if you are a seller, you still need a lower low. You still need to break some lows here to be able to. I said hi, girlfriend. That's what I said. If I speak slowly. Hello, Abbas. Finally. Have you woken up from your dreams now? Might. Pound dollar. Sorry. I think we have gone through that as well. Just going to make sure we do that. Kind of range at the moment, but still haven't got the prices to buy yet. Pound yen also somewhere in the clouds. Not really falling at the moment though, people. Not really falling. So not really something to look into. CAD yen was somebody said, "Hey man, it's falling." Okay, if it's falling, then I need to see a lower low, mate. There is no lower low, mate. So whoever said it's falling needs to stop with emotional trading. Also myself, by the way. But yeah, no. That is basically at the moment pullback to buy. It is not a lower low, so it doesn't fall like a rock, doesn't fall like a stone either, and it's not high. So boss says, I know. Nah, consumer master's degree. Okay, cool. Become master. Just you're a bit late though, but it's better than nothing, right? Better late than sorry. That's all we know. Sure. USD CAD is also another one that is coming up to sell process. But it's still a range. We still wanted to come higher though, but yeah, just USD CAD tapping in here at the peak, but not really a higher high. So sure. New Zealand dollar is one of a kind, I would say. Actually quite different. I know people don't like New Zealand dollar, but I'm just going to do it 2 seconds. If we break this low, that might maybe go bearish, but until then it's bullish. Or range to bullish at least. So, who knows? Should I move my face around? Is this a better place to put my face, by the way, people? Do you look at my face here? So I asked you yesterday, for those who were there, you should be there by the way. If you were there yesterday, I asked you guys if there's anyone who has seen any difference in me. And I said, haha, maybe I'm too high on myself. But nobody has commented for 24 hours of what that could be. So for those 200 to 300 people who have seen this video from yesterday, let me reveal. I got a haircut, mate. And nobody sees it. Okay, cool. I think I need to get a refund from that guy because should we ask for a refund or something? Because nobody saw it. But okay, I guess I can find a photo of myself to put myself next to myself because you guys, eh? What will I do with you guys? Let me see if I can find one for you. Oh! My phone doesn't want to go sideways today. There we go. So this is how I look like, bro. No difference? A micro lot is taken of hair. You should have seen the floor, mate. It was a huge stop loss. Sorry, it wasn't a huge take profit. So the sides, he spent like a half an hour or something just doing the sides and all those things. But okay, cool, I guess. So, okay, well, I thought we were a family here, people. We're supposed to see something new in each other. You never shaved your beard. No, I didn't shave my beard. I was about to, but I was like, meh, maybe not. It fits the. I just call it a hipster style. I don't know if it's hipster style hair, beard-ish. Like I feel like I'm in this club today. Is that true? Is this the club that we are in today? Or am I like which one am I mostly looking like? I don't know. This guy, I don't know. This is too extreme though. But this guy is too long. Yeah, I feel like, you know, that's kind of the style. But of course, I don't have this kind of beard, you know. I don't have that style though. But maybe. I didn't try for that look either. But you know, you never know. So that's a loss in my hair account there. Nobody saw it. USD CAD chief. It's range bound. Nothing to do, nothing to see. Dave says, never take your beard. Okay. I mean, ever. Okay, cool. If he shaves it, he will go to 6th grade. Lol. Now he's in high school grade. No, I feel like, okay. And then I'm not gonna show you the photo though, but there is a photo. They didn't take a photo. He showed me like the backside of my hair, you know, where they're like supposed to show their product. But you know what they see? Do you know what they say? Do you know what they showed? A moon. That is what he's showing me. So I'm not happy about it. Hardik is the only one being on track today, so I'm sorry, bros. But consumer price index for Europe is absolutely super duper hot. The core PCE was 3.6, a little bit less than expected. GDP out of Canada was not as great. Other than that, ciao. GDP was yesterday, bro, and that was 2%. That was negative. That was yesterday. CAD GDP figures came negative. Yeah, it came lower at least. Came lower. And also to remember, yesterday we had the nat gas inventories. That came out at... That was oil, sorry. That came out at 87. So around, give or take. Which one? But okay, sorry. Somebody was not happy with me not answering, so I'm just wondering what I did. What didn't I do? What did I do for you? That wasn't good. So Euro yen having a pullback there. Sorry. Sorry, mate. So you're New Zealand. I've been waiting for this one to go bullish, so I'm just waiting for this one to break. But hasn't yet, right? That's always not so nice, but yeah. So what am I looking for at the moment? I don't see what I want to see. It's kind of like a range. It's kind of like something. Pound yen fell a couple of minutes ago. Now it's pulling back. Pound dollar was falling, but now it's pulling back. Euro dollar was falling, and now it's pulling back. So it all depends on what you want to see, what you see, kind of a thing. So if you're thinking like that's gonna happen, then I think you have a good try. But the fall today is not great at all. 618 maybe. That's a bit of a longer, I don't know, a bit of a much, but sure. Maybe I will start buying it after this live here. But yeah, so we hit central pivot. Until yen strengthens, I think yen pairs are going to go higher, and CAD yen is probably the first one I will buy. But yeah. USD yen, for those who matter, for that matters, really in a range. So maybe that's like a, I don't know, 3-stage downwards, whatever those LODV people call it. So. Gold. How are we doing on gold? Gold has continued to fall a bit lower, not really much, but continued to fall more. Have a somewhat pullback here, so that's kind of your sell there again if you want to sell it. I'm not going to, and you guys are having fun there. Take it easy, bro. From 3rd November, so better slow down on trading. Yeah, so we are going to talk about that in the weekly forecast, bro. I don't know if there's going to be a live for everyone on Sunday. My weekend looks a bit blurry on that side. So I'm going to try to do, I'm trying to fit in the weekly fundamental analysis on Sunday. And then I will see what I do with the rest of it. I don't think, yeah, I think I've got to do that, and then I need to do a lot of things for the mentorship people this month, so the beginning of this month, and I need to do my own analysis, also go through my own psychology. I think that a lot of damage was done to my account when I did the video, the weekly strategy, sorry, the strategy video. I think that took too much time. I lost too much money, and I didn't lose too much money. I lost too many opportunities, and it didn't make me clear. So I think that that's something I should work on. Do I need to step down? Not step down from YouTube, but worry less about YouTube videos. I do feel like I own you guys' videos. I need to produce them, but I also want to make great videos. But I guess that also takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy to do them. So ciao, I guess. You're a pound from Peter. In Norway, we call you Peter. If you're just with one T, it's Peter. If you are from the south, we call you Peder. And if you are with two T's, you are called Petter. So Peter is a very, very well, very funny name because it can be said in so many different versions on, so many different versions depending on dialect. That was my point. I don't like M2. I want M2 to be here if it's M2. So that we have a trend. We can of course fall and rise and all those things. But yeah. So at this moment, I'm kind of like hoping for that one, kind of, I guess. But other than that, I really hope that that you can make some money out of it. But I think that this can fall so much more that I don't like that. That's kind of a weakness. No problem, Mister. For those who saw that, we are 33 people right now, and there's only 11 likes. What do I need to tell you that is nice for November? For November, the seasonality is that gold is going to fall. Okay? Average return is negative 2.9%. Annualized return is 33%. And it is one of the worst performing months of the year. It is the worst performing month of the year. And the worst day is around 13th, 15th, and 16th. So we all know that, I guess. 30th, there we are. So yeah, fun. Just checking first. Yeah, 1st of November. Yeah, so yeah. Just have that in mind. That's around 13th, 15th, 16th. It's probably the days it's going to drop the most. Thanks, haven't take. Just curious. Okay, nah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. A lot of these reports right now is sending Aussie lower, Aussie lower, pound lower. It's pretty funny. That's kind of when the market goes opposite. So we can discuss the Fed meeting 3rd of November probably until we are blue and yellow and all those. I'm not going to bore you with it, but it's a major thing, yes, and I don't know what's going to happen. So we're just going to take one side and hope for the best, I guess, more than anything else. And then not losing money is probably the key important at this moment, and we need to be able to be sober enough to understand where and when we are supposed to do it. And that gas is supposed to fall in November. I don't know if that's true, if that is going to happen this year though, but seasonality wise at least. Alright, mate. I'm probably gonna jump. I hope that you are going to have a fantastic day. S&P 500 had a drop there, apparently not. Rising. Can continue buying that one, and sure. Can you take a look at silver? There's a verse head and shoulders. I don't see head and shoulders though, but I see a top. I see maybe a broken low. Yeah, it's okay. It's a support, but these can also be the buy price for next month, by the way, just so you know. So don't sell your soul yet. Any pullback kind of can be looked to be going to the downside, yes, but don't sell your soul. And your target might be going down to 23. If this is a head and shoulders, they need to break above 24, and we haven't done that, so have fun. Hello, Maida. That's a long time no ever see. How are ya? How was October for ya? Rebouncing on UK oil, rebouncing on oil. So that was probably fun too. Am I buying Shiba Inu? No, I'm not buying any Shiba Inu. I've just read about shitcoins, so no, I'm not. I'm just looking for where I can buy yen pairs, that's all. So yeah, that's funny. Gold views, I can say, generally speaking, on gold, I am hoping for it to fall. It's currently falling, okay. But I still see no trend. Sorry, no trend. Lack of a trend, that's friend, apparently. Lack of a trend, lack of resistance, lack of momentum, or momentum is currently at the moment. But, ciao. Nah, not really what I want to see. Hardworksip says, hello, Eivindfx. Thank you for your advice from the other day when I continued trading for this week. Despite the loss, I'm back now up 5%. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love to see that, though. So I need to... Can I take a photo of that? Yeah, I need to take a photo of that. So we can put that into the Discord channel. So for everyone to see, for entirety of this world, that we are as long as yeah, so we can, for the entirety, can see that you're happy, at least for now, about me. But anyways, hard work. Happy about you. I would probably lower your lot size because you are a bit too much of a, you swing too much. But I don't want you to lose your account. That's where it comes from. Alright? I don't want you to lose your account. Is this a good place to buy euro dollar? It's a pretty big fall, so I don't know. I would probably land on yes. I don't like it, but yes. That's probably the support you're hoping for. Not anything lower though. But yeah, it's kind of not what I've hoped for. But I hoped, if I was the bull, I wanted to hold this place up here, so we can just go higher from here, because that's technically way better. But I guess monthly trade plans instead. So for those who doesn't know, Maida is an absolute veteran in this trading. So she is the best person. So if there's anyone to talk to Maida. What is your plan for November, mate? I'm gonna say that in the weekly forecast tomorrow. The reason why I'm here today is just to see if we can get some trades in. But I need to refine it, and I need to put it onto the wall, pin it to the wall before I kind of publish it. I kind of can't publish something that's half done, half completed things. So sure. I just want to be honest about that. Just going through the markets at the moment. Euro yen is still kind of a bullish, bearish range. I don't know what's going on here. I think I just want to wait for a trend or something to join in here, because this is literally the sell price. And buy prices for the month and the week is much lower, so I fear that this is just a pullback to fall again, but we haven't got that yet. So buy prices are much more down here in the 131 area, 130.50 area. So I don't know if I'm ever gonna get that. That's probably more what I would hope to do. Okay, great, mate. Thank you. I think I'm gonna jump off now and say thank you everyone for joining in today. I hope that you have a fantastic trading week next week and next month. I hope that you are going to take a vacation today. Take some relaxing time while I will work my cheeks off for you and come up with a fantastic plan tomorrow. Make the video, make it even a greater video than the plan, so that we have forward guidance. But yeah, have a great day.